Yes, your back line straight. You see what you're trying to do here, Christy? You're connecting your toes. Okay, right here. Connect the whole foot right here. Yeah. So you don't turn your toes straight. Okay? Lengthen. Yeah. So not just, alright? Make it small circle if it's okay. But don't just connect your toe. You see your toes are the first one to connect. Right? So the whole side feet, the inside feet should connect, not just your toes. That leads to your knees internal rotated like this. That causes your crossing leg, walking like your toes in, like that. You know, so you wanted to keep that hip in good alignment. One more. Nice. Did we reverse already? Yes. Pilates to your foot, karate kicks. One bend knee to the side, one extend. You're not moving your hips, come back to the center. You're not moving your hips up, hit. In your mind, your corset. I press your corset in the middle. You're moving that hips.
This side.
Yeah. So, what do? You activate all the muscles right here. Yeah, you see? And you don't need to move fast. You have to move with great control. Right? Moving slow to start your exercises, specifically to the side that you don't feel comfortable. Right? Not your good side. Right, legs straight. Straight. Bend to the side. One bend, one extend. Exhale, push. Keep this straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Push. This one pushing. Keep it straight. Come back. Meet in the center. Switch. Other leg. Keep it straight. Keep this straight all the time. Go. Straight, straight. Push, 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 push. Good. Squeeze. I'm pulling you. That's that feeling. Go. Other side. On your own. Bend. You only have two legs. Imagine kung wala yan. Exhale, right? It's gonna be hard. Push straight, straight, straight. Coordination. Extend. Bend. Extend. Extend. Come back. Push. Straight, straight, straight. Yes. The straight leg always stays straight. 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 Last two. Last one. Legs straight to the foot. When you're bridging and your hundreds. Crown of the head down. Roll it back up. Yeah. This is one of my go-to moves. Right? Specifically to lengthen my back line. Right? If I feel really tight on my back legs, back. This is one of my go-to moves. Last one, and then come back up. Let's come back towards your bed. One leaning all the way out like this. And then we come back. Right? I'm not just thinking of stretching my hips and my knee, my thigh, but I'm also thinking of my back line. So I maintain my tailbone pushing down in the crown of my head. My eye gaze, I'm looking towards the front of the window. As I lean back, my eyes going to the ceiling, where the ceiling meets that wall. So the light, right? Front and then the lights. Right? You're not arching this back, Celeste. You maintain it long. Right? So this is different from here. One more thing, ladies. Shoulders out and back, squeeze your armpit. When you're leaning backward, it's not this way. Like this, take a look. This is different. Right? This is back bend. We want to see our back long. When you pull, maintaining your back long. Right? Because that move is focusing more on your thigh stretch. This muscle. Alright? Getting the knees to release the tension. Open the hips a bit more, Nico. This one. Push the hips and then glutes activate more. Yes. Let me see. Yeah, that's good, kid. Yes. Right. Yes, because it's hurting a while ago, right? So we want to maintain this long. Go. Imagine the corset is tight. Yes. As you lean back, we maintain this. Hips forward. Hips. Yes. The hips forward. The glutes squeeze. Now, put your hands this way. Hold your hands that way. As you pull, pull. Yeah. Hands wide. Yeah. And lean back. You're still leaning back, right? There. Forward. As you come, long back. Right? You're doing this exercise, ladies. This is rowing. But in rowing, the hips is hinged. In that, the hips is open. Right? So we're engaging the glutes, the hips, and we're maintaining also that pull. Hands out wide. As you pull, I'm pulling your spine as well. Last 4. Glutes, your butt squeeze. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Nicely done. And relax. Come back. Elephant. Plank. Someone shaking, right? Okay. Up stretch. Look at my tailbone. Lower back. Reverse 100. You see? Reverse 100. Looking down on the spring. And then I bring the bed. I push it back to your elephant. Bed close. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale to your up stretch. As you find your arms almost in line with shoulders, bring it back and then push. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Hands in line with the shoulders, bring it back. 1, 2, 3. Hands in line with the shoulders. And then circle. Elephant. Yes. Plank, push your bed. Yes, drop it down. Yes. And then up stretch. Roll it back up. Hands in line with your shoulders. Go push back. There you go. Repeat. So, yes. And then roll it back up. Go into your first hundreds. Go into your first. Hands in line. Bring it back in. Up. Yes, like that means. This is your back line. Push to plank. Back line straight. Good. Roll it back up. Up stretch. Arms in line first. And then yes! Yes, hit. Roll. Roll it up. And then press. Plank. Push. Roll it back up from here. Up stretch. Hands in line first. And then push it back. Yes. Again. Plank. Yup. Up stretch. Give me this. Yes. Roll it back. Hands in line. Going towards your elephant. Push to plank. Push the bed. Drop the hips. Squeeze here. Going to your plank. Good. Roll it back up. Good. Cut the tail. Yes. You have to make sure that one is always down because it's going up. Push back. Push back to your elephant. Go to your plank. Drop the hips. Good. Tap the table. Roll it back up. Yes. Roll it back. From here. Yes. This is the one. Don't forget this one is always jamming. One more time. Your best one. Roll it back up. Nicely done, ladies. And come back. Knees down towards the bed. From here. Hands in front. Open the hips forward. Glutes activate. Right there. We push. Right? We come back. Open. Chest up. We push. Shoulder association. Hips forward. Hips right here. So a while ago we were in reverse, right? This time, a little bit of extension. So keep the hips forward. And then come back. Move it closer. So your armpit, hips more forward. Forward. Right here, come back. Yes, come back. Right here. Right? So you're having a little bit of your spine extension, but your arms straight. Not too much. Only here. Come back. Push. Come back. Yes. Relax. Next one, ladies, from here. Right? Keep that foot connected. Right? And push. And come back. Make a big seeker. Imagine I am beside you doing this. This is your setup. I push your table. I punch your leg in like this. And then your hands, your eyes look down. As I push, take a look, my arms doesn't move. Push the hips, squeeze my butt. Close your thing. Right? Push and close. Push and close. Shoulder closing in. Right? Push, open. and come back close. Tuck it in. Look down. Yes. Right? So looking down on your belly. Look down on your belly. Go. Close. Look down on your belly. Yes. Yes. Close your bed. Right? Remember? I'm here. All the way down. Yeah. All the way down. That's the one. You close your bed. All the way and then sit down here. Go. Push. Open. Squeeze. Come back. In. Tap the table. Yeah. So I'm pushing your belly and tapping your tailbone as you move your belly in. Keep the arms straight to rest. Yes, and then come back in. Tap the table. Tap the table like this. Scoop. Right? It's arching. Still arching back. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. Here. Here. Yes. Eyes down. Look at your belly. More. Good. Open. 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 Come back. Tuck it in. Yes, open. Come back, tuck it in. That's the one. Keep the arms straight. Next one, we go straight up to your plank. Take a look. Tuck it in, right? In. Push. All the way. And then touch the knees down. Control in. Push. Look at the knee. It doesn't drop heavy, right? Push. And slowly tuck it in. Push. What are we waiting for? Touch the knees, tuck it in. Right? Push. This is your knee stretch to plank. Yes, tuck the knees down. Control. Tuck it in. Tuck the tailbone in. Push. Exhale. Try inhale as you open. Open, inhale. Tuck it in, exhale. Tuck it in, exhale. So you empty your stomach, your lungs as you tuck in. Right? Tuck it in, exhale. Arm straight, arm straight. Push. Tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. Arm straight, arm straight. Push. Hold, relax, stay. 8, 7, everything here, squeeze. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly, touch the knees down, slowly. Slowly, both knees. Again, both knees touch together at the same time. Stop inhaling. As you exhale, I'd like you to see dive down. Roll your spine, bone by bone. Yeah, crown of the head down. Slowly articulate your spine, bone by bone. Bone by bone. Yes, hands up. Yes, hands behind. And big squeeze. Hands up, inhale. Again, exhale, dive down. Crown of the head, like you're diving on the ocean. Yes. Good. Roll it back up. Nice dive, ladies. Arms comes back. Arms comes here. Open up. Nice. Hands up. Right side bend. Dissolve the left hand. Come back the left hand. Long C. Back to long spine. Long C to the other side. Side melt. Come back to long C. Reset. And come back. Thank you very much, ladies.